All right, it's Saturday, 4 p.m. Belal's here with Motocycle Custom Towing. He's getting ready to send this out to Scott. Scott, you're getting loaded up, and this will be in Austin area, Austin, Texas. When, Belal? Sunday?
Yeah, Sunday.
So are you taking off from here? Or are you heading back home?
No, I'm going straight right now.
Shit. All right. So he's getting on the 10 and doing some traveling. So we got a express job. So there you go. Scott, she's all good. Belal's got your tire over here. This bike's looking good. There we go. That looks good. All right, you ready?
Ready to go. Thank you, Mo.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. All right. We'll talk to you, what, after you give me a text when you drop it off.
Yes, I already talked to Scott, probably around 2 p.m. I'm aiming, but I also told him in case I get tired or something, or a little nap takes longer, it's gonna be a little bit, he said, as long as you're safe.
Just drink a lot of coffee and Red Bulls, buddy. You'll be fine.
How about them apples, huh?
All right, see you later, buddy. Thank you.
Thank you.
There you go. Motorcycle Custom Towing.